and we should follow something known as cough etiquette. If any patient are having any infections, he should ideally should not cough in front of another person.
Okay.
He should turn away and cough, and preferably he should use his elbow to cough, not his hand.
Okay.
If you put your elbow, you won't touch your hand with other subjects, and you don't transmit with your hand. So try to always use the elbow to cough, not the hand to cough.
Okay.
That has to be used, and when it is possible, you use tissue to cough, so the tissue can be disposable tissue can be disposed of, so that will not it will not continue further like transmission.
So is there any other things which you want to give regarding the coronavirus?
Coronavirus it may spread in India also, so we should be cautious. Whoever has symptoms of cough and other things should follow that cough etiquette which I told you. You can, whenever you go to hospital or other place, meeting other people, he should use the mask. This is one of such mask actually. So these are the two sides. One is the blue side. Many times it is waterproof.
Okay.
And inside it will be a cotton side.
Okay.
That is absorbent.
Okay.
So when the patient applies like this, the top one he should there is a stick-like thing is there. You have to apply like this and adjust here like and pull it till here. So whenever the patient coughs, it doesn't spread to others.
Okay.
That's the idea. And he has to dispose after use like.
Okay.
So side should be the bluish side should be outside. So the absorbent side should be inside. So that whenever he coughs, he doesn't go elsewhere and stays back.
Okay. So thank you, sir. Thank you for giving such a wonderful information for us. So thank you so much.
Thank you.